Has this ever happened to you? You open up YouTube Studio excited to see how your new video has been doing, and you see something really confusing. Your video has impressions, but nearly no views. So YouTube showed your video to people to click on, but nobody watched it. Why does this happen? Today, we're going to talk about it. So let's go. You see that you have lots of impressions on this video, and that's really exciting. That means that YouTube is actually pushing your video finally. But think about what impressions really mean. If you remember from before, an impression is just an opportunity for a viewer to decide to watch your video or not. Those impressions are from the homepage, suggested next to other videos, or in search results. But an impression isn't a view, it's just an opportunity to get one. First part of the pipeline looks something like this. Our little green guy is given an opportunity to click on my video about walking in Hua Hin. And he chooses to click on it. So that translates into part of my click through rate. Amazing. And then he views the video, I hope. So let's zoom out a bit. YouTube doesn't push your video out to everyone immediately. Instead, it tests the video with a small group of viewers. First, it gets pushed to that small test audience, and then those viewers decide if they're going to click or not. If enough viewers click, then the algorithm shows it to more people. But sometimes, most viewers choose not to click on it. So then you end up getting a situation like this one. Over 2,000 impressions on this video, and only around 50 views. In this situation, YouTube did test the video, but the audience chose mostly, nah, I don't want to see it. So then YouTube systems slowed down and stopped expanding the test to further viewers. So that's how a video can have lots of impressions but few views. Impressions just mean that YouTube showed the video. Clicks are what create the views themselves. When viewers don't click on a video, it's usually one of three things, or a combination of them. The first is that the thumbnail really doesn't compel them. They don't want to click on it. Same thing, two, if they don't like the title or the title doesn't match what they're looking for. The third one is when the audience just doesn't match your video. So in this case, if I don't play Minecraft, but they're showing me this Minecraft survival video, it doesn't matter how good your thumbnail or your title are. I'm not going to click on it because I don't play Minecraft. So low clicks don't always mean that the video is bad. Often it just means that the packaging didn't attract the viewer. The low clicks don't always mean that the video is bad. Often it just means that the packaging didn't attract the viewers, or that the topic didn't match what the testing audience was looking for. This happens frequently, especially early on in your channel's history, whenever YouTube is still shopping around for your audience and you're appearing really heavy and suggested next to random things. The key takeaway here is that it's not impressions that create views. Only clicks create views. If you want to learn more about your analytics and how you can use the data that YouTube gives you about your videos to make better videos and grow your channel faster, then you're in the right place. Please give me a subscribe. Clicks are really only the first part of the story about what happens with your video. Once a click happens, YouTube also looks at how long the viewers stay watching. Next time, we'll discuss how CTR and watch time work together and how YouTube uses the two of them to evaluate your video. Thank you so much for watching.